No, it isn't a spare room, it's my bedroom. And no, it's not a wardrobe, it's my closet.
We interrupt this normal Urbex introduction as this will be a special Jeep off-roading series. Once again, another unambitious day kept us on the move. Using Google Maps for route agenda recon, this place popped up as a curiosity that just couldn't be skipped. So unique. We spent way more time here than expected, but at this point of the trip, we expected the unexpected. Not going to talk much here about Greenback Castle. You can check it out for yourself and even see more of my pictures, if you're so inclined, on Google Maps. Now this was an unexpected thrill. I could hardly contain myself when I saw it on the planned route with no deviation required. Featured in movies such as Thunder Road, The Fugitive, and Two Lane Blacktop. Some of you, likely bikers and sports car enthusiasts, already know this place without me saying a word. It's called one of the most exciting and dangerous drives in the country. With 318 curves packed into 11 miles, and by my count 61 deaths between 1995 and 2021, yet people come from all over the world to take it on. There have been so many accidents on Calderwood Highway in the Smoky Mountain National Park that the Blount County Rescue Squad keeps a presence here to assist with emergency calls. But today, Pete Slade puffed the Slayer. Traffic was moderate on a Friday, but I'm sure better than it would have been on the weekend, with all the "I think I'm a racer" wackos crossing over the center line. Yet, something about this road does take over your brain. Yes, we were driving a Jeep, but not long into it, I found myself switching to manual mode and shifting through the turns. Imagining, I guess, I was in one of my previous vehicles, most recently a Mustang and a Porsche back in the day, and various turbocharged cars throughout the years. If you still don't know where we are, oh man, I shouldn't even tell you, but I can't contain myself. Ladies and gentlemen, Tail of the Dragon. For a state park. Beasley Knob was a little bit of a pain. No, not the trails. Well, except for 93B, but getting the permit. Save the mirror! A one-day pass is $5, but the only way to get it at the time was online. With our schedule being somewhat by the seat of our pants, the only pass I bought up front was Peter's Mill because it was the first day. We couldn't be certain what day we were going to be hitting Beasley. But we had cell signal at the gas station just a couple miles prior, so we signed in there and got our pass. The U.S. Forest Service describes Beasley Knob as a challenging trail system with two trailheads on the west and on the north. There's about 14 miles of dirt trails, rock hill climbs, and gravel roads through the Chattahoochee National Forest. It is recommended for experienced riders only due to its challenging terrain and steep ascents. You will want to tuck your mirrors in here at Beasley. As you can see in the videos, there are times the trail is almost the height of the vehicle lower than the normal grade. Based on the steepness of the mountainsides, there must be quite a torrent that cuts through the trail deeper and deeper with each rain. And there's no changing your mind about many of the trails here, because there's not much turning around in this channel. And hope you don't come across someone coming the other direction, because someone is going backwards for a while. We didn't run into anyone this day. It was damp for us, which made the trail a little slippery, but I couldn't imagine it after a good rain. I've read that if you can get up one side, you are just sliding down the other.
Okay.